What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video, let's talk about some of the new features added on ColorOS for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. So as you can see here, this is my OnePlus 9 which is currently running on the latest build of ColorOS, which is ColorOS Open Beta 3. I've installed it on my Indian variant, and if you guys want to install it, you can find the download links in the description below. Just download the file and perform a local upgrade over Oxygen OS 12 Open Beta 1. I've made a video on installation too. That video can be found in the description below. This is the third beta build of ColorOS 12 for OnePlus 9 series. Oxygen OS 12 is still running on the first open beta for both these devices. And also guys, from past few videos, we are not hitting our like target of 300 likes. So let's keep the same like target, and I know you guys will do it on this video. Also, we have 80% of users who haven't subscribed to our channel, so it's a humble request, do consider subscribing and also press the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Before starting with the features, let me tell you one thing guys. This build of ColorOS 12 Open Beta 3 is very close to stable. I've been using it on my primary device, which is OnePlus 9. Until now, I haven't faced any kind of issues related to heating, battery drain, or not even any kind of jitters. So quite stable build to be used as daily driver. But as you all know, ColorOS is meant for Chinese region, so you might see some Chinese application pre-installed on this OS. But those applications can be easily uninstalled, and with the root access you can also remove the system applications which have Chinese language. And sorry guys, on our previous video of Oxygen OS 12, in that video I completely forgot to mention about the new add-ons done to dark mode. But let's talk about the same topic in this video, because both the OS have exactly same dark mode. So here you can see most of the OnePlus users were not happy about the dark mode present on Oxygen OS 11, because instead of that pitch dark theme, we used to get this grayish color. But on ColorOS 12, or you can also say Oxygen OS 12, we have the option to adjust the dark mode settings, or you can call it styles. So there are three styles which can be seen for the dark mode. One is enhance, second one is medium, and the third one is gentle. So using this gentle mode, we get to see that grayish background. But if you guys want the complete pitch dark theme, you can use the enhance mode, and also we have an adaptive contrast mode which will automatically adjust the screen color contrast intensity according to the ambient light condition. And if you use the dark mode, that is also applicable for icons and wallpapers. And most users like the new dark mode settings on Oxygen OS 12 and ColorOS 12. Both the OS comes with this pretty much same launcher. No major changes here to be seen in the launcher of ColorOS 12 and Oxygen OS 12. And one of the major feature which I personally miss on Oxygen OS when it comes to Android 12 is the Material You theming system. We are not getting exactly same on ColorOS, but we have a feature called wallpaper color picking. But this feature is still not been added on Oxygen OS 12. On ColorOS 12, this was available from the first open beta. So here you can see under personalization section, we have an option of colors from where you can change the accent color of your device. And another option what we have is wallpaper picking color. So depending on the wallpaper, device will automatically change the accent color of your device. So right now with this wallpaper, you can see the essence color. Let me change the wallpaper and show you guys. And now you can see after changing the wallpaper, the essence color also gets changed. And this applies to the entire system UI. This feature still have some kind of issues. As you can see, I have changed the wallpaper and still essence color haven't been changed. But that can be easily fixed by going to settings, and again you need to disable this feature and select it once again. So sometimes this is not happening automatically, you need to manually do that. But as we all know, it's still in beta stage. In upcoming updates, this thing will be fixed. Camera UI doesn't have any kind of changes or new addition if you compare it to Oxygen OS 12. We have same old stuff. Night mode includes of this starburst mode, tripod mode, and we also have all the features like tilt shift and expand. And if you guys aren't aware about, one of the new add-ons in the camera application for OnePlus 9 series is the intensity to adjust blur effect of the photo. So if you're clicking photos in portrait mode, you get these options like where you can change the aperture from strong to weak. Minimum aperture what you can set is 0.95, and the maximum aperture what we get to see is f16. And this feature really makes a lot of difference while clicking pictures in portrait mode. If you are installing ColorOS for the first time, you guys will notice few additional apps on ColorOS 12 compared to Oxygen OS 12, like Compass, Game Center, Health application, a dedicated music player app, phone manager app, and smart home application. Also guys, if you are looking for ColorOS application or OxygenOS 12 application, we have a dedicated channel on Telegram wherein we upload all the latest applications for OnePlus phones. So make sure to join that channel because we upload the applications after testing on other OnePlus devices too. And in every description of the app, we do mention whether this application works on other OnePlus devices or not. So do not forget to join that Telegram channel. And on ColorOS, I also like the new features added in the gaming toolbox. So this is the gaming toolbox which you can find it on ColorOS 12, where we have lots of options like quick startup, orientation off, screenshot, reject calls, mistouch prevention, voice changer, game focus mode, and if you want you can also add few more stuff. Under performance mode, we get to see these three options: low power mode, balance, and pro gamer mode. And do not worry guys, we'll see some of the new add-ons done in GameSpace application for OxygenOS 12. With the new update, you guys gonna see voice changer feature in the game toolbox of OxygenOS 12. On ColorOS 12, we also get to see this smart slide bar, and it's a quite handy feature which shows you the recently used application, and you also have few recommendations. But if you want, you can also make changes in the applications available in smart slide bar. From this smart slide bar, you can directly access applications in floating windows. So just tap on the application and the application will pop up in the floating windows mode. If you want, you can also resize the applications. We can also access applications in split screen mode directly from this smart slide bar. Long press on the application and drag it on the home screen. Supported application will open up in this split screen mode. And we also have a new feature on ColorOS which is called as PC Connect. I hope this feature makes through OxygenOS 2 that can be found in the connection and sharing settings. Here you can see we have a feature called PC Connect, and using this feature you can sync all the notification files directly to your PC. A quite handy feature. I've made a dedicated video on this, make sure to check that video out. Link of that video can be found in the description below, in which I have shown how to use this PC Connect feature. And now let's jump into the customization or personalization section of ColorOS. So in this, few stuff are similar like wallpaper section icons and quick setting tiles. But talking about always on display, here we have lot many options to customize the always on display, which we don't get to see on OxygenOS 12. So under always on display, we have options like personalized, self-provided always on display, and few of them really looks cool. Fingerprint animation seems to be similar on OxygenOS 12 with that of ColorOS 12. OxygenOS 12 consists of 3 colors in Edge Lightning, and the same 3 colors can be found on ColorOS 2. But here we have an additional option in which you can enable Edge Lightning for incoming calls. That's a good add-on on ColorOS 12. And at last, we have this video ringtone feature. Using these features, videos will be played on the screen while an incoming call. And I do like some of the videos which are being played in the video call feature. And another favorite feature of mine which can be found on ColorOS 12 is related to RAM expansion. So if you go to the about section, here you'll see an option of RAM where you can see my device variant is 8 GB, and here if I want to extend the RAM, I can extend up to max 5 GB. This feature is only for 8 GB RAM variant. I'm not exactly sure how much useful this feature is going to be, but we'll try out testing this feature in some of our video, so stay tuned for that. At last, we have a section of special features which consist of sleeping mode, driving mode, kids space mode, simple mode, and flexi windows. Another good add-on done which is related to kids. On ColorOS 12, you can enable a dedicated kids space where you can allow access to few applications and also set the duration of usage. Another mode which I like on ColorOS 12 is this simple mode. So this increases the font size, app icons, also increases high volume for ringtones, simpler settings, and this is a quite handy feature for elderly people. This is how simple mode looks, and if you want to exit, you can just go to the settings and tap on exit simple mode. So guys, these were the additional features what we get to see on ColorOS 12 compared to OxygenOS 12. If you still have any kind of questions or queries, then do let me know in the comment section below. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys liked the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.